In this video, we will start with the concept of mutability. Then, we will introduce the dynamic keyword, which allows you to declare variables without specifying a type. Finally, we will discuss the var keyword, which is similar to dynamic, but with a few restrictions. Welcome back to Code Climbers, where we take you on a coding journey, one step at a time. In the first example, we will introduce the concept of mutability. The syntax for declaring a mutable variable is similar to that of other programming languages like C. First, you declare the type, for example, integer, and then you specify the name of the variable. Afterward, you provide a value for the variable using the assignment operator. The variable can change its value through reassignment once it has been defined. Additionally, in accordance with the C style, attempting to reassign an incompatible value, such as the string ABC, to an integer variable results in an error. Keeping this data type error in mind, we introduce the dynamic keyword in Dart. Mutable variables marked as dynamic offer the flexibility for assuming any value. We use the same example as earlier, declaring a dynamic variable and assigning an integer 4. Then, we reassign it a fractional value of 4.2. Being a dynamic mutable variable, it can assume this new value. For more clarity, after each assignment, we display its Dart runtime data type. Running this, we see the Dart runtime data types are displayed as integer and double respectively. To further substantiate, we go beyond numeric data types and reassign a string ABC to the same variable. If you recall, the C-style integer example reported an error in the previous iteration. However, this time the reassignment is successful, showing that the runtime type is now a string. This demonstrates that variables marked as dynamic offer mutability for assuming any value. Finally, we have the var keyword, which is slightly different from dynamic. Similar to the previous examples, we declare and assign an integer value 4 to a var type variable. We ascertain its runtime data type to be an integer. Next, to demonstrate its mutability, we reassign another integer value, for instance, 5 to it. Once again, we ascertain its runtime data type to be an integer. To highlight the difference with dynamic, we attempt to assign a string, ABC, to the variable. However, this assignment to the var type variable results in an error. This shows that although mutable in nature, var type variables observe a certain kind of restriction on its data type. To further clarify that this data type is not limited to just integers, it can be any, like an initial value of a string ABC in this example. Thus, the runtime data type is a string. So, in this case, reassignment is allowed only for string values like x, y, z. However, because of the type restrictions on var, an attempt to assign it an integer value will throw an error. Once a value has been assigned to the variable during initialization, Dart remembers the type, and it cannot be changed later. However, the values themselves are still mutable if we reassign them with values of the same data type. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to Code Climbers for more coding tutorials. Happy coding!